Good morning, patchworkers, quilters and fellow fabric lovers. Here we are again this morning with a lovely Quiltopia update. And I'm here with Margaret from Logan's Fabrics. How are you?
Good morning.
Good morning. Yes. So what you're going to do is don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for all these lovely updates and hit that bell so that you will get all the notifications of anything new coming through. So Margaret, we're here today because we're talking about Quiltopia.
Indeed.
And you're going to be one of the people in the marketplace.
Oh yes, and it's an exciting new venture, this one.
It is, it's going to be great, isn't it? It is. So would you like to just sort of introduce, like tell us where you're from and what you do?
Oh, well, it's Logan Patchwork here in Sydney.
Yes.
And we like doing the major shows and we like being associated with anything new and exciting that's going to advance the industry, introduce particularly new young designers.
Yes.
Get things up and running, see the latest events.
Oh,
latest,
wonderful.
Products that are coming through or techniques that are being issued. And it's all about learning and sharing.
Learning and sharing. Patchworkers love doing that, don't we?
Oh,
we love sharing and helping and bringing young people up into it as well.
Yes. Well, that's why we've got such a wonderful young designer coming through.
Yes, yes. There'll be photos of that flash up in a minute anyway, so you'll see all those. Now, Margaret, you've been doing this for how long?
More years than I care to remember.
Exactly. So Margaret's been around and she is. Her knowledge is incredible. Okay, so come and see Margaret at Quiltopia because she's got lots of. But you also carry a lot of Aboriginal prints, don't you?
Oh, we've specialised in the Indigenous fabrics, and it's the licensed Indigenous fabrics that we feel very, very strongly about.
That's the ones, yes.
They're wonderful. They introduce a whole new, unique Australian character into our patchwork. And our patchworkers now are starting to realise just how vibrant they are.
Yes.
How much they can add to the texture and make it uniquely Australian.
Australian, yeah. And the Indigenous ones are they're lovely. They're bright as well, so they go with the bright quilts. You can tone them down. They're just lovely to work with. And also you can see, Margaret, you carry a lot of panels. You carry lots of different fabrics. You've been, as I said, you've been doing this so many years, and you've got the knowledge there. And trying to keep up and keep what we're all trying to do, I think, is get those new people in and get people happening. So guys, come on down to Quiltopia and see Margaret at, from Logan's Patchwork. And don't forget, 3rd to 6th of October. Yes.
Mark the date now and be there.
Yes, and as we say, have a little girly weekend because it is a long weekend as well. All right, and you can invite us out on the Saturday night, guys. That's okay. Rosehill Event Centre.
Don't forget the cocktail party.
Yes, and the cocktail party, definitely. Yes. All right, so what we'll do is we will we'll have more updates coming. All right, I'll have lots more coming. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. On either one of these sides, on the side, you'll see that there's some old, some of my other videos. If you haven't seen them, just click on those and you'll be able to watch everybody and different people coming to Quiltopia. So thank you for watching. Thank you, Margaret, for doing this. We'll see you at Quiltopia. I'm sure you'll have something new and everything exciting happening.
Definitely.
Yes. And guys, don't forget to subscribe, watch my video, and happy sewing.